Here is the Toyota CHR. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem. Put one finger in there and then push it left. Push it left and lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go, and now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb right there, and the way to access it is right behind it is the bulb holder, the gray one. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it, but it will come right out. The bulb size is WY21W. Check the link in the description below to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Now go ahead, get the new bulb and simply push it back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. That is good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it in place, and we are done. Moving on to the driver's side, that's the bulb. Same process. That's the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left, and it's loose, and now you should be able to just get it right out. Same bulb, WY21W. Let's just put this back into the light, and again you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in, and then just twist your right to lock it. Now before we go, let's just go ahead and try this bulbs out, make sure it's actually working. In the car we will turn the four-way flashes on. Just check this out. The driver's side is working fine, and so is the passenger side. And that is pretty much it. Close the hood first, push on the hood to get load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.